Are your latte art designs looking more like abstract blobs than hearts or rosettas? Today, I'm breaking down 5 common latte art fails and giving you fast fixes so you can level up your pouring game. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's start with the mistake number 1, the coffee beans. Maybe you're using coffee that are a little too old. As beans age, they lose CO2 and oils that help create a thick, stable crema. If your crema is weak, patchy, or bubbly, the milk won't sit on top, it punches right through. That's why your latte art looks washed out, flat, or basically non-existent. Use fresh beans, ideally 3 to 14 days off roast, and grind right before brewing. Fresh coffee means thick, beautiful crema and latte art that actually stands out. Let's go to the mistake number 2, bad milk texture. If your milk is too thin, it sinks. Too foamy, you get bubbles everywhere. Overheated, it becomes grainy and you give up. Aim for silky microfoam at 130 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Your milk should look like wet paint. Position your pitcher slightly off center when steaming so the wand creates a smooth whirlpool. That's what breaks big bubbles and gives you that glossy texture. Number 3, wrong pouring technique. Okay, so how can I do that? Let's focus on this. Start high to integrate your milk to the espresso. Drop low to mark your pattern. Lift again to finish and cut your design. And always tilt your cup. It helps to reach the espresso to start your pattern. Number 4, the timing. If your milk sits too long, it splits into layers. The thick foam on top, watery milk at the bottom. That means when you start pouring, the first thing that comes out is thin milk that punches through the crema, and the foam shows up way too late. Timing is your best friend. You should always aim to finish steaming your milk at the same time your espresso is ready. Here's an example of good timing. I start the shot, then wait about 10 seconds before I start steaming the milk, so both the milk and the espresso are ready at the same time. This is very important. Don't waste any time before pouring. Just swirl your espresso, tap a few times your milk and pour. The last mistake, the lack of practice. Guys, I've pulled thousands of shots, tulips, rosettas, swans, you name it. At the end of the day, it's all about muscle memory. Buy some coffee, buy some milk, and go for it. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.